Ready to break free from the rat race and step into a life of limitless possibilities? Well, you're in the right place because in the next few minutes, I'm going to unveil the exact blueprint that transformed ordinary hustles into extraordinary success stories. If you're serious about making money from the comfort of your home, firing your boss, and living life on your own terms, then stick around. This is a step-by-step guide to home business success, and it begins right now. Hey there, welcome back to Hustle and Heartbeat. I'm your host, Isai Rodriguez, and this is where I share actionable tips to help you get started as a homepreneur and move your business forward by 1 inch each and every single day. So if you're ready to turn your business dreams into a visual masterpiece, hit that subscribe button, grab your creative hat, and let's get started. And by the way, I'm putting together a free training for showing exactly how to quit your job without quitting your life. And so if you're curious, then follow the link in my bio and you'll be one of the first to have access to that experience once it's available. In the meantime, let's jump right into the action. All right. Welcome. So, in this world where the ambitious seek refuge from the mundane, let's call it, we're diving headfirst into the secrets that turn dreams into empires. Right? Today, we're focusing in on the cornerstone of every triumph, and that's setting clear goals. If you've ever wondered like how the greats rise above everyone else, it all starts here. Like that's where it starts. Like so let's unravel the art of goal setting, and let's lay a foundation for your extraordinary home business success. This is not just a guide, it's your roadmap to financial freedom and fulfillment. All right, my savvy entrepreneurs, let's talk about the game changer of setting clear goals. Right now, I know the term goal setting might sound like business jargon, but stick with me here, right? Imagine your goals as the GPS that's guiding your journey to success, right? They're not just wishes, they're the milestones leading you to that dream life that you've been craving. Here's the deal. Clear goals they're like turning on the headlights in the dark. You know what I mean? They illuminate your path. So grab a pen and paper because we're about to make your dreams tangible right now. So first things first, let's keep it simple, right? What do you want? What is it that you want out of, your business, right? Don't overcomplicate it. Whether it's financial freedom, more time for your family, or simply saying goodbye to the office politics. What is it that you want? Write it down. Now, let's make those goals SMART while we're at it, So if you don't know what SMART goals or what SMART stands for, we're talking about specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. So as far as making your goal specific, right? Think to yourself, what exactly do you want to achieve? Right? It has to be clearly defined. Like what exactly is it that you want? Measurable. How will you know when you've nailed it? Right? You need to know you need some kind of criteria that so that you can measure how far you've gotten, you know what I mean? Or when it is that you've gotten to where you want to go. Clearly define, you need to clearly define those parameters, right? Your goals need to be achievable. Like, let's keep it real, folks. No rocket science here. Make it simple and achievable. It needs to be relevant. So align your goal with your passions, right? And lastly, it has to be time bound, right? Set a deadline. It's pretty straightforward, It's your finish line. So mark it on your calendar or, set yourself a reminder for, what that time span is. When is that deadline for you, for your goals, right? Whatever that is, just make sure there's a specific timeline to follow or a deadline, right? Remember, these goals are your personal compass. They give you direction, they give you purpose, and that extra kick, to conquer the entrepreneurial world. So let's get those goals down on paper and light up the path to your future success, right? So now let's dive into, let's talk about time management, right? Effective time management. Because this can really make or break a whole your home business journey, and that's effective time management, right? Now I get it. Time is a tricky beast, if you will, right? This took me a long time to master, but guess what? If there's anything that I've learned from my mentors, it's this: you're the master of your hours, not the other way around. So let's turn those chaotic days into a well-orchestrated symphony of positivity, right? Here's the deal. Time management isn't about squeezing every minute dry, right? It's about making every minute count for you and your goals, right? Think of your day as a buffet, right? You choose the tasks that fill your plate. And trust me, no one's forcing you to eat broccoli if you hate it, right? First off, identify your big rocks. What's the important stuff in your day that needs to get done? What are the biggest tasks that will, cause the most momentum or give you the most momentum in your business? Give it some thought and figure out what those big rocks are for you, right? So do you have a crucial client call that you have to do, right? That's a big rock. Do you need to create content? That's another big rock, right? Start with those. And then the rest are just, you could think of them as pebbles. They need to get done, but they're not as important. They will get done. They can get done, but you need to do the big stuff, the big rocks first, right? Now, let's keep it real. Distractions are the enemy when you're trying to be productive, right? So turn off the notifications on your phone. Close out all those extra tabs that you really don't need, like Gmail and Facebook and all that stuff. And let's focus on those big rocks only. It's not about working harder, right? It's about working smarter. And hey, breaks are not your enemy, right? They're actually part of the journey. Like, if anything, they're like your secret weapon, right? So if you have to, step away from your desk, breathe, refresh yourself, right? And come back stronger. It's like hitting the reset button on your productivity for that day, right? Remember, it's not about managing time. Time is going to move forward regardless. Like, time is going to happen, right? Whether you like it or not. You can't manage it. You can't hold it and make it stand still. It's going to happen. It's going to continue moving. There's no way for you to say, okay, time, can you please stand over there for an hour or so and just kind of hang out and wait for me? It doesn't work that way, right? It's about managing yourself within that time. Does that make sense? So let's conquer the clock. Let's be the boss of our schedules and turn those dreams into accomplishments. All right? Because here's the thing. Time is on your side when you're the one calling the shots. Am I right? So let's talk about something now that can turn your journey from solo to superstar, and that's building a solid network. Now, I know networking can sound a bit corporate, right? But let's throw out the suits, right? Let's imagine like we have those suits on and we're taking them off, throw them out, and let's make it about connections that feel like family. Because here's the thing, your network is your tribe, right? These are the people who have your back. They cheer your wins, and they pick you up when you stumble, when you fall, when you trip. Those are the people that are going to prop you up. So building it isn't about collecting business cards, right? It's about creating real and genuine connections. So first things first, you want to be yourself, right? Authenticity is basically your secret sauce here, right? all people connect with other people, they connect with you, not with your polished sales pitch, right? So let your personality shine through, Secondly, let's keep it plain and simple. Networking is not a one-way street, right? It's not about what others can do for you, right? It's about what you can do for them. That's a big key that you need to keep in mind. Be a giver, not just a receiver, right? Give compliments, give out love, show them that you care about them. Stop making your conversations with them about you, right? Make it about them, right? Take yourself out of the conversation, unless, of course, they specifically ask you something about yourself. Then, don't be weird and not answer it and like flip the script on them, answer it, but don't make the whole conversation about you. Focus on them, otherwise keep your name out of the conversation and then expand your horizons. Don't stick to your comfort zone, right? Reach out to people with different perspectives. You never know what magic can happen when different worlds collide. And here's the golden rule, right? When you're in conversation with someone, be present, right? Listen more than you talk. Ask questions. Show genuine interest in that person that you're trying to connect with, right? It's not a race. Again, it's not a race to hand out the most business cards. It's about making meaningful connections. Remember, your network is your net worth. All right. So let's build it like, we're constructing a fortress of success, because that's ultimately what we're doing here, right? So your tribe is out there. They're out there waiting for you. And together we'll rise to the top. All right, game changers, we've covered some serious ground today, from setting goals that light up your path and, to mastering the clock like a boss and building a tribe that elevates you to new heights. If you're not buzzing with excitement right now, you need to check your pulse. You know what I mean? But here's the deal. This isn't just another video. This is your launch pad, right? Your ticket to a life where you call the shots and live on your own terms, right? The journey is yours and it starts now. But before you get started, I want you to hit that subscribe button. Why? Because this is just the beginning. We've got more insights, more strategies, and more success stories coming your way. I don't want you to miss out on any of the golden nuggets that could potentially transform your business game, right? And hey, I want to hear from you. So drop down in the comments below and let me know what your thoughts are right now. What's your biggest takeaway? What challenges are you facing right now? Right? Let's turn this comment section into a community of support and wisdom. Remember, you've got the fire within you already. You're not just a viewer, you're a creator of your own destiny. So hit the subscribe button, join the community, and let's make those dreams a reality right now. Your home business journey is ready to be written. Let's make it legendary, all right? And don't forget to follow the link in my bio to discover the exact steps to quit your job without quitting your life. And until the next time, I want you to stay legendary, my friends. With that said, I'll catch you on the next video. Take care now. Bye.